Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video for changing out the valve cover gaskets on a 351M or 400 block motor. This is on my 79 Bronco, but it also applies to any 70s era's F-Series trucks, as well as the 78, 79 Bronco. I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those, check them out. I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow along. All right, let's get into it. It is optional to use RTV on these, especially if you're using rubber gaskets. It could cause them to squeeze out. Personally, I wanted to add RTV because it seemed like I had a non-smooth surface along the heads, and this will help kind of clear up any kind of leaking, which I did have leaking in here before from the old cork gaskets. Thank you for watching my how-to video. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.